Here we go, part 2 of the windstorm. It's not as strong as it was, but it's still windy. As you can see, look at that wind. Look how windy it's getting. Look at that. Wow! Did you see that? Wind's blowing that door around. We're gonna walk around. Look at that. We're blowing that wind around really bad. It's blowing real bad. I'm now on Lorraine Avenue. Let's see what it's doing. Blowing these leaves around. You can see. It's blowing northwest. I'm going to go a little closer now on the other side. Excuse me. What do you think about this windstorm? You didn't seem like a happy camper. But this is a better look of what the windstorm can do. Look at that windstorm's doing. Here goes the wind again.